Let your body remember what it feels like to feel safe again. Let's begin. And take a moment to settle in. Whether you're sitting or lying down, let your body land where it is. Close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. And gently exhale out through the mouth. Again, inhale. And sigh it out through the mouth. And let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Soften your belly. Feel the weight of your body supported by the earth beneath you. Unclench your toes, your hips, allow your body to relax. Arriving in this moment fully. Now bring your awareness to your breath. No need to change it right now, just observe it. Notice where you feel it. Feel it moving through your body. Now gently guide your breath into a slower rhythm, inhaling for 4 counts, exhaling for 6. Let's do it together. Release all the air. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time you breathe out, imagine your body letting go a little more, releasing tension, releasing holding, inviting softness. Now allow your breathing to come to a natural rhythm. And bring your awareness to the space around your heart. Holding your focus here. Feeling the warmth, the openness, the softness around your heart space. Now imagine as you're breathing that you're breathing in and out through your heart. Inhale, slow and full. Exhale, soft and relaxed. Allowing your breath to become a little slower, a little deeper. Inhale through your heart. Exhale through your heart. And as you continue to breathe here, invite in the emotion of gratitude. Remembering something, a person, a place, or a moment that made you feel truly grateful. Let that memory rise gently, like a warm light in your heart. You feel the warmth of the gratitude, the soft glow, the opening in your chest. Let it expand. Let it fill your whole chest, your ribs, your lungs. Let it pour into your belly, your hands, your throat. Now filling up the rest of your body with this beautiful warm feeling of gratitude, softness and warmth. Now bring a gentle smile to your face. This is a signal to your body. It is safe here. It is okay to open. You are here and your heart is listening. Now from this place of warmth and openness, I invite you to imagine a version of you standing in a future moment. It could be you 1 year from now, or even sooner. This version of you is radiant, peaceful. They have been living in a deep alignment, in deep trust, and in flow. And you can feel it just by looking at them. Let this version of you become clearer, become closer. And really feel the frequency they're vibrating in. Notice how they move, how they hold themselves, how calm and grounded they are. They have been supported by life. They have been supported and provided for by the universe. And they've learned to trust their heart. You can ask them silently in your mind, what did you do differently to get here? What did you believe about life? About abundance? And about your own worth? Just listen. Feel the answer. It might come as a whisper, a feeling, or a knowing. Now allow the future version of you to gently place their hands on your heart. And as they do, you feel the two hearts sinking. You are receiving their energy, their confidence, their wisdom, their grounded peace. Take a deep breath and imagine their light merging with yours, fully receiving this upgrade, fully trusting that it's already happening. Let the warmth spread again through your chest, your face, your hands, your lower body. Let your heart memorize this frequency. This is coherence. This is the feeling that magnetizes everything. You don't have to chase. You just return to this place. You live from it. You trust it. Now begin to deepening your breath. Gently guiding your awareness back to your physical body. Feel your body grounded beneath you. And now start bringing gentle movement, wiggling your fingers and your toes. You may bring these movements gradually bigger. Maybe taking big full body stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, open your eyes slowly, bringing this coherence back into your day. And remember, you are safe, you are connected, you are guided, and you're always becoming. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Thank you for choosing coherence, connection, and calm. You are safe. You are worthy.